I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Ibis Paint X with your finished canvas open. First, export a high-quality image. Tap the share or export icon and pick PNG or JPEG. PNG preserves transparency. Once done, confirm the pixel dimensions so the QR generator can read details reliably. Make sure the file is saved to your device or cloud where you can access it. You're doing this now to avoid back and forth. Having the final image ready prevents recompression or errors later when embedding into a QR. Next, use a QR code generator that allows embedding an image or logo. This is crucial for inserting your Ibis art. Upload the exported PNG/JPEG and position it in the center preview, adjusting scale so it doesn't cover key QR patterns. Then increase error correction to high, around 30%, so readers tolerate the overlay. Once satisfied, export the composed QR as a PNG at full resolution. This step ensures the art appears without breaking the code's readability across scanners. Finally, test the finished QR on several phones and apps to verify it scans reliably. You should try close range and normal distance. If a scan fails, make quick fixes. Reduce the embedded image size, boost error correction, or export a larger QR image and reinsert the logo. Once successful, save a high-resolution master for printing and a compressed copy for web sharing. A key troubleshooting tip: if the QR still won't scan, remove the logo temporarily to isolate whether the overlay or export settings caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.